Hi everyone, Rebecca here. Today I have a massive haul. I was on Facebook a few months back and I saw that a lady in the UK, I'm part of a lot of UK based craft de-stash groups because I obviously lived over there, and I messaged her and I said, are you okay with posting this and sending it to Sweden? I obviously pay for postage because I really want to buy all of your Magnolia stamps. And she was like, yeah, that's fine, but it's going to be quite costly to send it to Sweden. I was like, yeah, but it's going to cost me much more to buy them in Sweden and buy them individually, because her massive Magnolia collection was just so many different stamps. It was everything from Christmas. I mean, you're going to see it when I'm sharing it with you. It's new, old stamps. Yeah, it's just a mixture of everything, which I really wanted because I love Magnolia, but they are quite pricey, and I have in the last few years sort of only bought Hangler and Wings stamps because I like them as well. But Magnolia and Hangler and Wings are very, very similar. So I was really happy when I saw this. So I received all of these stamps a few months back, and then I have been spending time putting them in these plastic little bags, stamping out the image, because there were a lot of them. And I thought it would be fun if I share this with you. And these stamps don't have the names, but I have a little tip here. If you are looking for one of these stamps I'm going to show you, take a screenshot with your phone and then use Google Lens, I think it's called. And then Google AI can find the stamp really, really quickly, instead of me needing to, show you a name, because I don't have the name. Like, for example, here, I don't know what this is called, this stamp. I don't know the name or the year it was released. I just have an image of it, just a stamp. But if you screenshot this and use Google Lens, you might be able to find it. So use AI to your advantage. And talking about AI, I actually have a new video as well up where I'm testing out AI. Can it create cards, paper crafting cards? It's really fun. So if you've missed that, check that out as well. Because it's very spooky and a little bit scary, but super cool as well. So I'm just going to start and share with you the stamps that I got. And I guess this video is going to be quite long, but I might put some video music throughout this video, and then you can just look at the stamps and get ideas and maybe find some new stamps that you've not seen, because I find that Magnolia's website is terrible. And it's really difficult to get an idea of what stamps has been released, because they've been going on for so long. And they don't have like a library where all of their stamps that they have released throughout the years are. I mean, it would be wonderful to have like an actual PDF or something with all of their stamps, but it might just be too big because they've been going on for so many years, as I said, and it might not be possible to do that. Look, they're very, very similar, aren't they? Just the hearts and the stars. I am more of a fan of the old Magnolia. Like, this is a really old one. I know that because, as you can see, it's quite funny actually, because the design has changed quite a bit. So this is like the early Magnolias. This is like 2008, 2009, I'm pretty sure. This is like a recent one. I don't know what year it was made. It doesn't say. Probably, well, it says BH50, so it might be 2015. But as you can see, they have changed the design of their stamps a lot. And I'm more of a fan of the earlier stamps than the newer ones. But I think that they are changing it back a little bit. They're going back to their original roots, but we'll see. is the end of the many stamps that I received. This one I find kind of scary. It reminds me of that movie, that horror movie. And yeah, I don't know. I will just keep it because it's an old stamp and it might, you know, in a few years might be like the Diana Markham stamps, who knows, that are selling on eBay for, yeah, 50, 60 US dollars. Who knows? Maybe Magnolia will be one of those stamps and then I've got it. And yeah, it's just a massive amount of new stamps that I received. So it's going to be fun to create with them and use them, because I didn't have many Magnolia stamps at all, actually. Just a few of them before this haul, and now I definitely have a lot. So it's going to be fun to use them, and yeah, it's a lot of Christmas stamps, so I can make some Christmas cards with them and things. And it's nice being now in my new craft room and being settled in here. I just got a few more bits and bobs to fix, and then I will try and share with you a room tour of my new craft room. So yeah, that was all of my Magnolia stamps that I received in this haul, and I'll see you in my next video.